Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. My name is Tanay Ol, and I'm an anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry veterans to come together to share their knowledge, ideas, thoughts, and best practices with one another, as well as with upcoming industry leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings of all our industry stalwarts. We hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leader interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone as they help us to identify, nurture, and work on trade secrets that have already proven a success formula for so many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge sharing community. We have one such industry giant on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Vasu. We welcome you on the show, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Tani. Good morning.
Good morning. He possesses almost 2 decades of extensive experience in software quality testing with a specific emphasis on the banking, healthcare, Salesforce, virtualization, and content management industries. He owes his expertise to strong capabilities in functional testing and automation tools, demonstrating proficiency in ensuring the quality and efficiency of software systems. With an extensive background in the financial industry, he has developed a strong expertise in loan solutions and a thorough comprehension of the KYC CDD prerequisites. His expertise extends to regulatory compliance, including AML, the Bank Secrecy Act, OFAC sanctions, as well as familiarity with concepts like politically exposed person status and sanction hits. Notably, he has worked with esteemed clients such as Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Lloyds TSB, VMware, and IDFC First Bank. His tenure at Persistent Systems and Solutions Limited as engineering lead quality has marked by outstanding leadership and expertise in software quality testing with a specialized focus on the banking domain. So, sir, could you let our viewers know in brief about your career journey so far?
Yeah, thank you, Tani. Good morning, everybody. Last 20 years, I have worked with the software industries, and earlier I worked with Accenture and Persistent Systems Limited. In Accenture, I have worked with the different big clients like Bank of America, Lloyds, TSB Bank, and like BMW with SAP testing projects I have handled there. And afterwards, I moved to the Persistent Systems Limited. Since 2010, I'm working with here. Here, I work with projects like in testing itself, the content management, and client. I worked at different clients at client location itself, VMware and Wells Fargo clients, and multiple times I worked at Wells Fargo and VMware. They extended a long period, and recently I worked with Indian client IDFC First Bank. These are the different banks I worked with, and the full journey, my career is with the testing only. Whenever the different the technologies they develop using the Java, but our career is testing the checking the functionality end to end. It's checking the quality of the application.
So, what do you consider to be your biggest professional accomplishment and why?
Yeah, in this actually earlier, just now I told about the Wells Fargo and VMware. Whenever I worked at the client location itself, once if the tenure is 6 months is completed, again there should be 3 months gap should be there. So after that gap only we should work it. But in the VMware, so they once my tenure is completed, immediately they got the manager has another project. Immediately he asked me continue, but from my side it is okay. But company rules under its own act. But he convinced the management from them because he already has seen last 6 months my performance. So he don't want to lose me, and he convinced their management, and he continued me as a continuation of another project with me like that.
So, with 18 plus years of experience in software quality testing, what specific skills or expertise do you believe set you apart in this field? And also, could you share an example of spearheading a project using these skills and expertise?
Yes. Recently, that last I worked with Wells Fargo under, I am taking care of all the two models will be there. One is the main cornerstone project, and I am with the reporting team. So entire reporting team, I am taking care of all the things. I am spreaded all the things, and so entire responsibility for that project issues are I am the responsibility. So like that, I have managed the team within the budget and timelines. That is the main important for that. Now, just now we entered that AML, those things. So those are the KYC regulations we are only implemented. That means development team has implemented, testing team has tested it, the functionality, all the things we have done within our time.
So, how and when did you develop an interest in ESG and corporate governance?
Yeah, in my present company also, earlier I don't know about these things, CSR and ESG. When our company also started the blood donation camps, and even I have participated in that during that participated, and even poor people, we are monthly, we have to contribute from our salary to that people, and we have to go to the employees to their some charity organizations, and we have to spend some time with them, and like this. Then that time only I got the what is these things, and earlier they are not also doing. Nowadays my company is also doing these things, and that time I got the information about the ESG and the importance of the ESG and the CSR and these things.
So as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
Yes, suppose when we are in the table of the board of meetings, suppose if that is the company is the first time they are doing, so we need to participate in that, how importance of that one, how it will the valuable times. Because even not only that, if some companies, if they are not following the ESG and the standards, even if they go for the banks and all, they won't approve the loans and all. Whenever even nowadays they made the standardization, and not only for a bank loan purpose, it is our courtesy to maintain all the things, and to check the regulations whether all are following everything, and we have to do from our side to the society. We have to give back to the society whatever we earn from the society, and we have to give back to the society, and to make sure that even companies growth also it will increase, as well as others also will get benefit.
So, as someone working closely with technology, what technological changes in your field do you want to leverage with the implementation of IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, cloud, digital twin, big data, and Web 3.0?
Yes. As mentioned now, that earlier I worked with Java technologies, testing, .NET and PHP technologies. For the testing point of view, for us nothing is there, because even for the development of it, who has learned the Java, for them it will take time to switch into the PHP or .NET or even SAP. For the testing point of view, the developer will take care of, and the testing point of view, we will test the functionality, end-to-end functionalities with the different models, all that things we need to take it. From technology point of view, for the testing, it is nothing. But generally, if you want anything, is suppose I worked with VMware, that they're especially leading in the cloud side, hybrid cloud, private cloud, these things like Amazon, like this. Suppose when I work with the banking and all, they have developed these web-based applications only. So I am comfortable with all technologies. I can test anything with a little span of time. We can learn and we can continue that.
So, we're building a community here of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
Yes, yes. Even I have seen their videos, and they are explaining how to proceed with these things, and very nicely with the presentations and all. Who do not, and all, for them it is easy to get the knowledge, and all. Later they can pick up that more. It will give that as initial input for them. It is the nice topics, and it will help each one. If it's already known persons, they can enhance their skills.
Great, sir. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will truly inspire future leaders. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for joining us today and wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute unquestionably has expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds. Thank you so much, sir.
yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
You too.